Hello there, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gentle Media. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect the Blackmagic camera to vMix wirelessly. So I've been getting a lot of messages. People said I should please record a tutorial on how to connect the Blackmagic camera wirelessly. Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do that. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button, like and share this video. And if you're a returning subscriber, like and share this video as well. Alright, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the tutorial. Don't forget, my name is Victor Eje. This is Gentle Media. Alright, so like you all know, the Blackmagic camera works with iOS phone. I don't know if it's available for Android, for your Android version. I don't really know, but I tried it on my Play Store. I checked it inside my Play Store using this Android phone, and they say the app can't work on my phone. Alright, so I use this iPhone to download it. Alright, so I'll show you how to connect it. Alright, so the first thing you need to head over to your Apple Store if you are using an iOS phone. Head over to your Apple Store and download the Blackmagic app. Alright, so once you've installed it on your phone, now on your PC, you're going to download the software called Lonely Screen. Alright, so that's what we are going to be making use of. Okay, now you head over to your Chrome. Alright, head over to your Chrome and then you just type Lonely Screen app. Alright, Lonely Screen. So once you type Lonely Screen, this is it. You click on this first link right here. Click on it. Okay, now you click on get started. Alright, now you are going to download for Windows. Okay, you are going to download for Windows. So we are going to be making use of the free trial download. Right, so once you click download for Windows, it's going to download. You can see unverified download blocked. If you are getting this message, just click it and then select download unverified file. All right, just select download unverified file and the file will be downloaded. Go ahead and install it after the download. All right, so take note, if you are to install it, you might get this. I think I screenshotted it. Yes, if you are installing it, you might get this message. Yes. All right, so don't be confused. Just come and click this more info. If you click the more info, you should see install anyway. Yeah. All right, so you are going to proceed with the installation. All right, so once you've installed the Lonely Screen, go ahead and launch it. All right, so this is it right here. This is the Lonely Screen. All right, so the next thing you're going to do, ensure your phone and the PC is connected to the same network. All right, so the next step we are going to take is to connect our phone to this Lonely Screen app. All right, so let me go to my phone now. If you are using iOS, you are going to use the screen mirror. Yes, so we are going to be making use of the screen mirror. So you are going to scroll down. This is the mirror, screen mirror. You can see it screen mirroring. You can see it has detected my Lonely Screen. You can see it right there. Gentle Media here. You can see it, Gentle Media here. All right, why? Because I've connected it, but yours will just show you Lonely Screen. All right, so you're going to tap it. Once you tap it, just give it some time. Okay, you can see it right there. Now it has connected successfully. Now anything I'm doing on my phone, you will be seeing it. All right, so the next thing, let's rotate. We are going to rotate it since we are using landscape. All right, so I will just put my phone on auto rotate. All right, so the next step is to open the Blackmagic app on your phone. You can see it right there. Now the next thing, I'm going to rotate my phone because we need it landscape. All right, so we are going to make use of landscape. So you put your phone on rotate. Okay, now the next thing, how do we get a clean field? Because you wouldn't want to display all these stuffs on your screen. All right, so doing that, come to your setting, click on the setting. Now you are going to scroll all the way down to you see monitor. All right, you see monitor, click on monitor. And in case if you are on portrait mode, you might not see. In case if you're on portrait mode, you have to scroll all the way down. You will see the monitor right there. All right, so you're going to tap the HDMI out. Tap the HDMI out, and then you let me rotate it so that you see it very well. So you can see it's on mirror display. You are going to change it to video feed. Put it on video feed and then ensure this clean feed is selected. All right, so you're going to enable the clean feed, so you can see it has cleared off. All right, now go back to your camera. So as you can see, we now have a clean feed. Now the next step is how to add it into vMix. All right, so let me open my vMix right here. Go to my add inputs. All right, so we're going to be making use of the NDI and desktop capture. So I'm going to select the NDI and desktop capture right here. Click it and then go to local desktop capture. Click it and then you see the lonely screen airplay. You can see it right there. Now you're going to select it and then hit OK. All right, so you can see this our Blackmagic camera on our vMix. Now if you watch closely, you will discover that it's not covering the whole screen. This is actually a free trial. All right, so since it's a free trial, you'll be limited on some of the access. All right, so if it's not covering the screen, all you need to do is just to enlarge it. Double click on the Blackmagic camera you just added. All right, so you double click on it, or you click on this setting icon right here. All right, so either you click on the setting icon or you double click on it. Now you come to position. All right, come to position and then you zoom it. All right, zoom it till you all right, let me zoom out a bit. Let me drag it down. Okay, fine. So you can see we now have our clean field. You can see it right there. So this, you can see it working perfectly. All right, so this is how to add the Blackmagic camera on vMix. All right, so if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. All right, share this video with your friends and your loved ones. Don't forget to subscribe to Gentle Media and turn on that notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever I upload new tutorial. All right, so if you have any question, let me know at the comment section. Drop your question and I will attend to you. If you want to join my WhatsApp group, the link is in the description of this video. If you want to message me directly, the link is also in the description of this video. Which tutorial should I drop next? Let me know at the comment section. All right, so see you in my next video. Don't forget, my name is Victor Eje. This is Gentle Media.